All right, with number one, it says an image of a book shown on a website is 1.5 inches wide and 3 inches tall on a computer screen. Computer screen. The actual book is 9 inches wide. So notice I use the red for width and the blue for height. What is the scale being used for the image? So if I draw a picture here, I have the picture on the monitor, which is 1.5 wide and 3 tall. And then I have the actual book, and I know it is 9 wide. Okay, so I need to figure out what am I going to multiply 1.5 by to get to 9. So to do that, we go the actual book divided by the drawing. So we're going to go 9 divided by 1.5, and we get 6. Okay, so 1 inch to 6 inches. So now that we know that the multiplier is 6, the actual height of the book is going to be 3 times 6, which is 18. So the book is 18 inches tall.